I've got a coolant leak in my ML350 W166 chassis. It looks like it's at the top of the radiator. So to give you some perspective, there it is there. So what I'll do is I'll take out this mount, and see what it looks like down there. Okay, so I've gotten that out. So there were just these 4 tabs, one here, here, and here that you squeeze, and this just comes out. So there it is there. Looks like this is some kind of rubber thing. Let me just take that out with a screwdriver. So I've got the rubber piece out. There was a little, you have a look on the right side, right here, there was just that it protrudes a little bit more. That just holds the rubber in place. So just as you're prying it out, just gonna make room for that. And now I can see the leak, or I can see all the coolant there. Now I'm just gonna dry it up and see where the leak is. Okay, so I've cleaned it out as much as I can, and I'm just going to start the engine and just to see where it's leaking from. What I'm trying to figure out is, can I plastic weld this back together without having to replace the radiator? Okay, so I put the rubber and this cover back and took it for a drive, and it looks like the leak is actually in the center of that piece there, because around it is clean. So I guess there's some tiny little crack in there. So what I'm going to do is clean it out, sand it down a bit, and then put some JW plastic welding in there and see how we go. Okay, so I've made this little tool to sand inside here. This is quite small. Okay, I've cleaned it and sanded as much as I can, and now I'm gonna put in some of the JB Weld epoxy. So I'm gonna be using this JB Weld epoxy, still enforced. It says it can handle heat up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me mix this up and we'll give it a go. So this is the mixed product. Now I'm just gonna drop it in and wait overnight before I drive the car, and we'll report back in a week or 2 of driving. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 17 hours. I'm just gonna wait until later this afternoon before I drive it, so it's 24 hours at least. Okay, so after fixing or gluing back this radiator, it's been driven now for a week, and I've cleaned out all the mess down there, so there is no leak now. So I'm hoping this will hold out for a long time, and I'll keep updating the description of the video just so that we can see how far this fix takes us. Thanks for watching.